Our top focus continues to be the latest coming in as far as the Kolkata rape and horror case is concerned. Now, extremely disturbing. That's how the Supreme Court today defined the handling of the Kolkata rape and murder case by Kolkata cops. The apex court was hearing the case after taking suo motu cognizance of the crime, questioning the sequence and the timing of legal formalities conducted by the police. Supreme Court bench said it was very surprising that the post-mortem of the deceased was conducted on August 9 between 6:10 and 7:10 in the evening. Now, that happened much before the registration of the case as unnatural death, which is in complete violation of the due process. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the Central Bureau of Investigation, told the top court that the most shocking fact is that the FIR was registered at 11:45 p.m. after this young doctor was cremated. The Supreme Court has now directed the Kolkata police officer who registered the first entry about the rape and the murder to appear in the next hearing and disclose the time of the entry.
Mr. Sibal,
Yeah.
just tell us from your record at what time the postmortem was performed.
Yes, I tell you, Lordship.
From your record.
Yes, yes.
That is for the time being
6:10 to 7:10 p.m.
in the evening,
Yes,
correct?
correct.
Yes.
When you are taking the dead body
Yes.
for the purpose of performing postmortem,
Yes.
is it a case of unnatural death or not? If it is not a case of unnatural death, why do you have to perform the postmortem? This
is a case.
Just, so that
Sorry.
you can respond to it.
Sorry.
There are so many questions.
Yes, I agree. Of
coming
course.
in our mind.
Right.
And we have the best of the assistance
Yes.
in your form. When you start performing the postmortem, that means it is a case of unnatural death.
No doubt about it.
Postmortem starts at 18:10 hours.
Yes.
It comes to an end at 19:10 hours.
Yes.
What was the idea in registering UD at 23:30 hours?
That's the FIR, Mother. That's not the UD.
No, sir.
Mother, I've just.
Just listen to us.
I'm sorry.
Either you are right
No.
or
No,
what
it was
was
FIR. FIR.
You have to answer your Lordship's question, Mother, without interference, please.
Well, you can.
No, just
Yes,
one clarification.
certainly.
The records reveal,
Yes,
subject to what you have to further point out to us.
correct.
UD case number 861 of 24 of police station Tala
Yes.
was registered at 23:30 hours. On 9th August 2024, GD entry number 576 and the FIR number 52 of 2024 was registered at 23:45 hours. Is this record correct?
Mother, may I therefore point out to your Lordship, just take the timeline. We've referred everything in
So
it.
according to your record, the UD was registered at what times?
1:45 p.m.
1:45?
p.m.
No, that's not true.
They're 1:45 p.m.
How do we reconcile the two records?
Mothers, I'll show that to your Lordship.
Because we today have a report
Mothers, but that I'm saying, Mother.
which indicates that this is the time. So therefore, it's very surprising. Postmortem precedes registration of UD.
No, Mother, this is what I'm told, Mother, and I can only
Is
respond.
someone
Let's now take you to the latest that we are getting from Kolkata. While this happened in the Supreme Court today, next hearing is going to take place on 5th of September. Meanwhile, the BJP unit of West Bengal is staging protest in parts of Kolkata. Let me straight away go across to my colleagues Sabyasachi as well as Tapas joining us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, to you first. Take us through what's really happening. Where exactly is this protest taking place? And what is it that the BJP netas are demanding today?
Well, absolutely. So let me first show you the visuals around. You can see several thousands of the BJP supporters are here currently protesting against the state government. Now, the BJP party leaders had called for the gherao of the Shastra Bhavan here in the state, and now several layers of barricading were done by the Bidhannagar police as well as the Kolkata police to stop the BJP workers from marching towards the Shastra Bhavan. Now, the BJP leaders and several thousand of the party workers who had gathered out here, they have breached the barricade, in fact, and some of the BJP leaders have been detained by the Bidhannagar police, and some of them are heading towards the Shastra Bhavan. The entire stretch of the road is completely filled with BJP party workers. Now they are demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. In fact, the allegation that they have been levelling against the Shastra Bhavan, stating that several misconducts has happened in the health sector of West Bengal under the nose of the Shastra Bhavan. So that is the reason why severe change needs to be done at the Shastra Bhavan by the state government, and also they have questioned the failure of the state government and the state machinery in this.
Right. Sabyasachi, stay on with us. Let me now go across to Tapas as well. Tapas, earlier we did hear comments coming in from various BJP leaders, and as Sabyasachi was also mentioning, clearly they are of the view that, you know, something is being done to hide the actual truth, and that's the reason why they're demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister as well. But the question that was raised in the hearing also today by the Supreme Court, that when will normalcy really return? Because the visuals that you are bringing to us also are showing that how the traffic conditions, etc., are being impacted because of these protests that are now taking place. Tapas.
Well, your audio is barely audible, but all I can say you that court have given a very strong observation as far as the Kolkata police's investigation process is concerned, raised several questions about re-appointment of Pandit Ghosh. And given this situation, everybody have hit the street since last 3 days. We have seen now the BJP have also hit the street. It's a huge rally. Thousands of members, the supporters have come here. They broke almost 3 to 4 barricades and now marching towards Shastra Bhavan, which is around 300 meters away from where we are walking. Shubhendu Adhikari, Shukanto Majumdar, Debashree Chaudhary, Rupa Ganguly, all senior leadership of the state BJP are present in this rally, and despite stopping by the police, they broke the barricade and they are moving ahead. What Agnimit Rapal have categorically stated that under any circumstances whatsoever they cannot be stopped. They want to go to the health secretariat, demand justice, demand answer about the incident that happened in Arjikor, and also the intent of the health secretary under scanner, and Supreme Court have even raised concerns regarding the investigation. So putting all these issues together, you can see thousands of BJP supporters have come on street and they are marching towards health secretariat, and they are expected to reach there anytime soon. Police have also guarded health secretariat and nobody would be allowed to enter. It remains to be seen whether this massive number of crowd can be stopped or it overpowers the forces deployed. You can see onlookers are also there on street, and at times they are also sloganeering along with the BJP supporters about "we want justice." So that's the situation here. On one hand, the High Court had pulled up the state government. The Supreme Court have also criticized the way the procedural inquiry was done, and now it has also taken a political turn. One after the other parties are coming in on road to the BJP. It's going to be a showdown between the Bidhannagar police and the BJP as we are approaching the health secretariat few meters from here. Back to you.
Right, dramatic visuals coming in from Kolkata at this point in time. BJP leaders clearly have hit the streets in